This is my loadout. Got a little flat pouch that comes with the SC-45. I use them separately. I just use this to put on thermostats. So I normally just take this whole conglomeration and a thermostat in, and most of the time I got it. We'll start with the gyroscopic um, 8-volt DeWalt. I really like this thing. This thing has got enough power. It has enough juice to last for a month and a half without me charging it, and I put on thermostats all the time. Got a Queen Phillips. I got a Malco flip bit, a quarter and 5/16, a Klein needle nose small. That's actually a vessel piece, but I use that in that DeWalt. A small flathead, and this is just a cold dog. Low voltage, dedicated, 3/32 size flathead. It's a little bit smaller than my dedicated Klein big handle thermostat screwdriver. And like I said, I just flap this on my belt, go in there, change the thermostat.